I had no idea that this park was this big. I had no idea. Welcome to Aqualand Maspalomas. I'm Morgan from the Very Unofficial Travel Guides, and today I'm going to show you all around this really cool park. Today is my last day on the island, and I didn't want to leave without coming here to see this, even though I'm really exhausted from a hard tennis match this morning. I'm exhausted, my feet hurt, my back hurts, but I came for you. I took a taxi here from my hotel in Meloneras, which is the other side of the big beach. It was €7 with tip. So I can't imagine that it's probably around €10 from the Playa del Ingles side to get here. All right, first thing to note about this park, do you hear this announcement? They've been making announcements probably about every 4 minutes, I would say. And the most recent announcement they made before this one was that the wave pool is starting. So that's gonna be the first place that we go. But I wanted to tell you that when I arrived, the first thing I did was have lunch because I needed some food. And it cost about €18 for a very large pizza and a drink, and I pretty much devoured the pizza. I think that's kind of expensive, but the pizza would have been shareable, so that makes it okay. They also have other food like hamburgers and chicken nuggets and things like that, you know, typical theme park food. I rented a locker, which is €7 for the entire day. You get a great big coin, you pick out your locker, you put the coin in, and then you get your key, and you can open and close the locker as many times as you want during the day. You just need to bring that coin back, and then you get €2 of deposit in return. The lockers are big enough for a backpack and pair of shoes and a towel and stuff, but one thing to note, doesn't look like they've been cleaned in a while. I also got a tote bag as a gift. I don't know if they do that every day, but I got one. So thanks, Aqualand. All right, let's go find that wave pool. So that just over on the other side of those green trees, that is the entrance to the park. Right over here is where I had the pizza, or you can also get the burgers and chicken nuggets and all that. If I turn here to the left, got this Caribbean boat, and I don't know what that is. I think it's just a photo opportunity, so I'm gonna walk in this direction. Got a nice kids splash area over here. Oh, I love that. Back there's some kind of double racing side and a big racing slide and a big tower. Definitely have to check that out later. Let's keep walking this way. Oh, they're offering massages as well. I don't know if I've ever seen that at a water park. Look, they also have these fish pedicures where you put your feet in a fish tank and then they eat off all the dead skin on your feet. It's a no for me. Would you do it? But here are the prices for the massage. And yeah, actually those are really good prices. The frequency that bucket splashes down is much higher than I've seen at other parks. Anyways, yeah. That is that Caribbean boat structure. Here are the massage areas, and I've made it this far, and I think that this must be the wave pool up here. Nope. This is the splashdown area for several slides. Oh, look at these crazy, like small speed slides. All right, where's that wave pool? I found the wave pool. It's back there. So somehow I have to get down there. I wonder if I can walk up and around here to go down, or if I have to walk all the way back. Yeah, I'm gonna walk back and go over this bridge. I found it. The wave pool is actually just in front of these slides, and here are the hours that the waves come. And yeah, I don't know if that means, I don't know how long they come, and actually there are no waves right now. Just walk over there and show you. But this is the pretty big wave pool. And I like the theming. Look at it looks like a castle, and there's a shipwreck back there. And then, yeah, just the desert all around. I don't have my watch on and I don't see a clock here. So I don't know if the waves are like coming now or if they're finished, but I do see quite a few people leaving, so I guess I missed it. All right, let's look at some other things then. This slide, or these slides in front of the wave pool, have a half pipe at the end. Check it out. Oh, here come the next ones. I can hear them screaming in the tunnel. Where are they? Or maybe not. There they are. Nice. That looks like fun. Oh, they just barely made it over. I noticed that across from the wave pool, which is right there, if you walk all the way to the wall, there is a lazy river. Nice. I mean, I think nowadays there can't be any water park without a lazy river. It's just not complete. As I continue my walk around the wave pool, the lazy river is behind me now, the wave pool is over here. I wanted to tell you that one thing that I noticed is that there was no bag search when I entered the park. It's been a long time since I've been to an amusement park or water park where they didn't ask to look in my bag. And I'm not complaining about that, but one thing I wanted to notice is already on the short, like 15 minutes I've been walking through the park here, I've seen a lot of people who brought their own food. So yeah, I mean, I think that's a big advantage actually, because like I said, the food here is more sort of on the expensive side. And if you want to, bring your own, I guess they don't really care. I am now at the very back of the wave pool. You can see that's what it looks like, and the waves were to start now, they'd be coming from underneath my feet. I've now gone full circle around the wave pool. This is the bridge that I crossed before, and I didn't realize it, but this bridge goes over the lazy river. And the lazy river goes around the entire wave pool and also those slides and comes back around here. I finally found a map. This is very helpful. So, this is where I entered. That's where I had the pizza. The lockers are here, and I see behind the lockers, there's a sea lion show. Here's that boat photo opportunity thing, and I walked over here. Here's the kiddie splash area with the kiddie slides. Then I walked shortly up here to look at these slides, then back, and then over the bridge, over the lazy river. We've looked at these slides, and then I walked all the way around here and back, and now I'm here. And now I want to go back here, and I think that is up this way. The weather here on Gran Canaria has been just beautiful. It has been like 26 degrees, which is, like high 70s, low 80s, and sunny every day. The only sort of weather complaints, if you want to say it that way, is sometimes it does get pretty windy. But when you're like in the sun that's beating down on you, the wind feels good, Another thing that I've noticed, at least at this park, something, for you to know, is that the swimwear choices are definitely different than in the United States. I've seen a lot of very revealing women's swimsuits, and also women walking around with their titas out. Also, there's a lot of men in Speedos, and I don't have any problem with that because I'm one of them, just for you to know. And a note about a lot of the men I've seen in Speedos, oh my gosh, there are some good looking family fathers here in Gran Canaria. I feel like I've seen so many guys that have like the bodies of professional swimmers, and then they're wearing these, yeah, tight swimsuits, and I'm like, whew. All right, now back to your regularly scheduled non-homo programming. I have gone up the stairs now, and this is really cool. Check out this view. All right, the wave pool is behind those trees, and I just walked up this long path up these stairs, and there's one of these slides here. There's another big slide that goes way up there, and look at this. It's a mat racer. I love these kind of slides, and I'm so glad that more and more parks are adding them. Well, that's kind of lame. Why aren't they racing? Oh, there's everybody else. I guess that woman was just faster. If you ever have the chance to do one of these slides, or any kind of slide where you're on one of these mats where you lay on your stomach, here's a little bit of advice I want to give you. You see they have these like grips inside? That's where you hold on to. And what helps is if you like twist your wrist up like this, that will help you go a little bit faster and further, and it makes it so the water doesn't like spray all into your face. If you like push it down, then you just get like a cascade of water in your face the entire time, and that's not fun. Over here at this white half-pipe slide, I just realized the park offers some kind of fast pass plan. I didn't see that. And you know, it doesn't really look so crowded today that I think you would need it, but I'm kind of here in the off season. The summer is not the busy season here on Gran Canaria, and I didn't know that until I came here, but several people have told me that since I got here. Whoa! I'm leaving this part of the park behind me now, and I'm gonna turn around and go down this shady path. Looking forward to some shade right now because, like I said, the sun is hot. It's like burning. And this down here is that splash pool for those slides that I saw at the very beginning, like the first big slides. And you can see back there is the wave pool. So I've walked along that path and then this way to get up to where I am now. And now I'm walking back down here, and I can see there is a bowl slide up here. And I think that's part of that slide that goes way up the mountain. And that's what I'm gonna try to find now. All right, I just came down this path, and now I'm gonna go up here. But I wanted to show you that right over here, that's where the sea lions are. And I don't know if that's like an extra charge or like an experience, or if they offer a show, but I will find it out. And back down here, that is like towards the entrance to the park. But let's go up these stairs now. I see they also have some parrots here or something. Some kind of wildlife, oh yeah, parrots. There's parrots in these cages back here. And oh, there's even more cool slides up here. Check this out. Also some sort of racing speed slides here. Are these body slides or tube slides? Well, I guess they're tube slides. Let's see if we can get somebody coming down. Here they come. Wow, they're gonna go all the way to the end. Right across from these white slides is this slide, and it's called the Anaconda, I can see. And look at this huge lift hill that goes all the way up there. I definitely want to do this slide. It starts way up there and comes way down the mountain, and this is where it ends. I can hear some people coming. Ah, there they are. Awesome. Okay, remember what I was saying about the guys in the Speedos here and how they all have amazing bodies? That's what I'm talking about. Jeez, I feel old and fat. There's another one. Sorry, straight guys. I'll try to control myself. I was just up there with the white slide and then that big slide that goes way down the mountain. And now I'm gonna go over here, see what I can find out about the sea lions area. Oh, they also offer a comeback the next day for 12 euros deal, which is pretty good. I mean, 12 euros for this park again. That's nice. There they are, the sea lions are in that pool. And yeah, it's a photo opportunity. And you can either just get your photo or you can actually swim with them. Here are the prices. Look, you see his little head sticking up over there? Oh, now we went back down inside. But I bet they swim, like, I bet they slide down that ramp and then come over here for the photos. That's cool. I mean, if you ever wanted to swim with a sea lion, I definitely don't, but if you do, you can do it here at Aqualand. I'm on my way back up this large hill, so something to note. A lot of hills and a lot of stairs at this park. Oh, look at this. You see her chuck that raft? Good job, lifeguard. Yeah, there are more slides up here. I had no idea that this park was this big. I had no idea. And now that I know that it's this big, and it only cost me, what was it, 32 or 36 euros to get inside? And I know if you buy your ticket online, at least the day before, I think it was 29. So be sure you check that out. This is a really good deal. This is a huge water park for not a lot of money. A little bit further up the hill now, and we've got this twisty slide. And then also a raft slide into a toilet bowl here. Just wanted to get a little bit of shade here under the lift hill for the slides up there. Here is that yellow, like multiple drop slide in the middle. And I can see there's a pink one here, but then there's also a blue one up there, and I can't see where that one comes out. Oh, it's through the trees over there. So I think they all end down there in that pool somewhere. These people are making the long trek way up the hill to get on probably that slide. Yeah, like I said, a lot of walking uphill and a lot of stairs, but I think just about every water park is like that. And I maybe have seen all the slides now. I mean, like I said, I didn't realize it was going to be this big, and I haven't ridden any of the slides yet, and so that's going to be my next goal. But before I do that, I want to go back to my locker and put my phone in there and my glasses and my hat. And I asked the lifeguard, and she said that I can take my GoPro on the slides, which is a good thing. She said it just has to be attached to your arm. And I brought my attachment, so we're good. Wait, before I put my iPhone back in my locker, they just announced that the waves are starting again. And you can tell also because there's a stampede of people rushing to the wave pool, and I'm one of them. What kind of waves is it gonna be? Oh, look at the nice waves. So these aren't like huge waves, you know, like at Typhoon Lagoon, at Disney. These are sort of fun rolling waves, but it's a nice change of pace instead of just swimming in a normal swimming pool. While you're checking out these POVs of the slides, then please consider subscribing to my channel here. I post videos about tourist destinations like cruise ships and theme parks and water parks and resorts. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you want to give me a little tip, like if you're thinking, wow, this video really helped us, wouldn't it be nice to give him a tip? Then you can do that at patreon.com/veryunofficial. Yeah, and let me know if I can help you in any other way. If you're planning a trip to Gran Canaria, write me in the comments or hit me up on, like I said, Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, and I'll help you the best I can.